Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Justin here with you. Today what we're going to be cooking is something that a lot of people have a challenge with, and it's cooking crispy fried chicken. So if you like KFC's extra crispy or Popeyes chicken that's very crispy, you're going to want to stick around and get this recipe and write it down and save it. And if you're new to the channel and you like cooking, food challenges, and tasting reviews, then think about subscribing to the channel, and hopefully we can bring you some good content in the future with those other categories as well. So let's get to what you're here for today, and that's to make some kick-ass crispy fried chicken. All right, so your first line of business is to get your chicken ready. You need to marinate it for a minimum of 2 hours. I would probably say a maximum of 4 hours. So we're going to use Frank's Red Hot. You can use sriracha, whatever hot sauce that you enjoy the most. If you don't like it spicy, you don't like spicy things, leave this out. So let's put Frank to work, start marinating this chicken. So stick it back in the fridge, come back in 2 hours. We've successfully marinated the chicken for roughly 2 hours, and now we're ready to create our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients. And let me go over what is in everything here. So we'll start here. So 2 cups of flour, 3 eggs, a half a tablespoon of seasoned salt, and 16 ounces or 2 cups of club soda. I have used beer in a substitute before. It does give you a different consistency. So if you're looking for more of an airy, very crispy chicken, that'll give you like an airy crust, like a crisp. This will give you a different consistency than beer does. If you're looking for the Popeyes chicken or the KFC crispy, then you want to use a club soda. Now we'll move into this section here, and we've got 3 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of poultry seasoning, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. You could pull back on the cayenne pepper if you would like, and we actually did on this one to a half a tablespoon, and you want to put a teaspoon of baking soda, and that's going to help with the crispiness of the crust. So now what I got to do is get my grease up to temperature. We're gonna go at 350 degrees today, so we're gonna bring it up to 350, and I'm gonna mix these ingredients together, create my wet ingredient, and then we're just gonna take chicken dip, bring it over here, roll it, and may do a dip back and roll again. That's optional. You do not have to do that. You can just dip it once, and I may just do that today to give you an idea. If you did it the other way, it's super crispy. I'm talking about it's got a lot of batter, so if you like a ton of batter, then double dip it. So let's get started. And I think this is a pretty simple process, so we're just going to speed through this section. All we're doing is putting the seasoning in, cracking the eggs, pouring in the club soda. So I'm just going to mix all this stuff together and dump in these ingredients here and kind of stir that up. And that's pretty self-explanatory. All right, so here's the consistency that we're looking for. So it's a little bit runnier than pancake batter. Let's go ahead and go through the process of dipping like this. And I used the wrong hand, so I'm gonna have to clean my hand because it's my left hand that does this and my right hand that does this. So we'll use my left on this one. We've got it all completed. I just gotta clean up. We're gonna move over to the stove and start deep frying. We're at 350 and we're gonna start frying our chicken. The reason you don't wanna go over 350 when you're doing this is because you will burn your batter. So we're only gonna fry 2 pieces at a time. So we've finished frying up the chicken. And this is what we've come up with. So come in here, Shay. Let's take a look at this chicken. Show them how crispy and how this looks. Doesn't that look great? Just any of this. Look at this. So you're gonna get really nice crispy chicken. Let's just do this. Let's give them a taste test. So come on up here and let's just see if we can get this. Oh my God. Oh my God. This ain't the best damn chicken that you have ever eaten. Don't subscribe to my channel. But if it is, subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think about it. Oh shit. It's so good. Oh yeah. I'm sorry. I ain't even playing. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this extra crispy chicken. The flavor is amazing. Smells absolutely great in here. All right, we're just going to let you go. I'm gonna tear into this chicken. I'm so hungry. So we'll see you next time. Take care.